All right, we're rolling up to a different one this time. Let's see if they got any of these things. See some right there. I don't know. We'll see if they're all sold out. The hype is real. And I want to know what kind of stuff you guys are getting from Harbor Freight this Black Friday. Ooh, it's such a good deal, dude. $2.49. I kind of want to buy it. Look at all the stuff. Killer deal on these bad boys right here. So I just asked on the toolboxes, mini toolboxes, they're gone. I saw like 5. I saw a dude walk out with probably the last 2, I guess. So that's where we're at on that. People are still going to be hunting those bad boys. $2.49 for this bad boy right here. Man, $2.49 for the freaking Badlands Jack. Oh, I really want to buy it. I think we're going to do it. I think this thing's going to my cart. So I'm going to throw one of those in there. Let's see what else I get. Yep, that's happening. Wow. Okay. So I didn't see this the time before. 40% off all Icon socket sets. So that's wild. $49 for this bad boy right here. Yeah, that is pretty sweet. And these are just like an unpassable deal. So we're gonna get these 6-ton. Guess I'll get orange. Yeah, I think we'll stick with the orange ones on these. I think still a killer deal. $7.99. So good. I think sweet. Gasoline and propane. Love it. Pretty killer deal right here. The Icon picks, $14.99 for inside track members. This is just a great thing to have in your toolbox. If you don't have picks, you could also get some like real cheap ones, but the Icon ones are where it's at. Those are nice. You can get the big ones, the $59. No sale on those, but that is a great addition to a toolbox. Wow. So the other day I was looking at this Bauer stuff, dude. 475 foot-pounds of net besting torque on this bad boy. Buy this Bauer 5 amp battery, get a free tool. So $100. I assume you could get one of these. I mean, that's pretty killer. I've never tried one of these out, but I mean, it's better than nothing if you don't have one. So that dude bought like every single grinder they had. These things are like 10 or $14 right now. Pretty crazy. I think they're junk, but I mean, hey, they work, I guess. And for $10, you can buy like, 10 of them to the price of a normal grinder. And they definitely stocked up on these generators. I mean, they got quite a few for $800. It's pretty nice. A regular Predator. These $189 tool chests. Pretty killer deal there. This thing's, it's one of my favorite tool chests right here. I absolutely love this thing. If you guys don't have a nice tool chest in the garage, I think that this is a great deal. It's an excellent tool chest for a great grab and go. $189. If I didn't have a winch in my garage chilling in a box right now, I'd probably pick this up. That's sweet. And then I was actually looking at this. I didn't realize I made this. You can get the winch mount, and you can kind of fab up your own bumper with that. It's only $50, not on sale. But if you guys are kind of, contemplating putting a winch on your car and have a welder, you can make it happen with that. If you're on a road trip with like an RV or something along those lines, man, you just need that mechanics kit for whatever could go wrong. This 301 piece, it's a pretty killer deal. I know people used to pick these up all the time. A lot of sockets, a lot of screwdrivers, all that stuff. $169. Really can't beat that. 130 piece toolkit. Kind of more basic right there, but only $30. It's pretty cheap. Here's our Icon area. I'm not really seeing any deals on those in particular. We do got some Black Friday deals on the wrenches though. $29, for a decent set of wrenches there. Grabbing these are not on sale, but I like these for hooking. I've actually hooked bikes up to these. I don't know, maybe that's not a great idea, but it holds up to 70 pounds. So I was like, hell yeah, why not? You can get the other ones, for like $1.99 and whatnot, but these have actually worked. I'm like holding 3 bikes for over like 2 years. No problem with these. Got those Hercules, SDS, Max, hammer drills. Man, those things are big boys. $449 though. That's so wild. What do they say? Like a Bosch one runs $859. That's pretty cool. $229 for these ones. We got the Bauer ones over here. Not seeing any particular like sales on those. And then yeah, we got the Hercules grinders right here. Pretty nice. Brushless motors, all that. That's what you'll run into is these ones are not going to be brushless motor on the on all the Bauer stuff. So, you know, when you're going to the Hercules, you're getting the brushless, which is just a tool that's going to last a lot longer. All right, here's where the Icon deals are for the sockets. So if you wanted to pick up some sockets right now, is the time to do it. 40% off all socket sets. So I assume, is that just the normal price? I guess that's just the normal price right there. Yeah, and you're getting 40% off these. So if you want to grab some sockets, now is the absolute time on the Icons. Same with their impact stuff too. So yeah, there we go. 69 bucks, 114 bucks for the swivel joint stuff right here. All 40% off. That's awesome. 16.99 for that sander. That's just, it's unbeatable. I don't even know what this is. $1.39 for cable ties. Okay, cool. 89 bucks for the drill impact. Not too shabby. If you have absolutely no power tools at home, this is a insane deal. 6 tools, 2 batteries, and a charger. Get you into the Bauer lineup. You got the blower, which I recommend everyone have a cordless blower. It's just so nice. You got the circular saw. Dude, you got an oscillating multi-tool, an impact, a drill. This even has like a metal chuck on it, which is nice, and a flashlight. That'll get most everything you need to get done at your house. Is it industrial strength? Is it, you know, contractor worthy? Probably not. I would definitely say not. But for a homeowner, dude, this is, you can't beat that. You really can't beat that. Here's the Hercules lineup, which I recommend, you know, a lot more because they got all the brushless motors on all this stuff. $69, and then you get a 5 amp hour battery and a charger. So yeah, you actually get that tool free. No, so you get this tool free when you purchase this. So I guess it's 119 bucks, and then you can get any of these items. It's cool. Oh, they even have a vacuum now. That's nice. 2 peak horsepower, cordless vac. I'll say a cordless vacuum is so nice, not having to drag out a cord. I actually picked this up, the cordless grease gun, for my Foreigner for squirting up all the joints and everything for the Zerk fittings. This is nice. Little Sawzall grinder. Yeah, dude. Love it. I also have this, and it sounds pretty nice, man. It's got pretty decent torque and nice little brushless motor. This is what I ended up with in my cart right here. It's all the Badlands stuff. This off-road jack. Let me know what you guys are gonna pick up for Black Friday. I love it. I love it. You gotta love Harbor Freight, and they got so much new good stuff. You got the Daytona brand, you got the Badlands brand, the Icon stuff has been coming out. The Hercules, man, they're just stepping up their game every single year. Something that I want to see big time is that new trailer that's going to be coming out. That thing looks pretty sweet. I've just seen it in the SEMA shows, but yeah, definitely want to see that. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know down in the comments below what you grabbed. Later and rinse on.